Hello, I'm Lesley Logan, and this is the half roll up on the C-Shaper.
Welcome to OnlinePilatesClasses.com, the most supportive Pilates-loving community across the globe. Enjoy new weekly classes from our amazing teachers. Download the OnlinePilatesClasses.com app today.
So C-Shaper, I put it in the barrels family because to me it is the inverse of like a ladder barrel, right? Or your spine corrector. And so it is just the other way. The barrels do a lot of support helping us with our extension. The C-Shaper helps us find our longest flexion. And today I'm going to help you with the half roll up, which is a really great prep to the roll up. I put this in the OPC, OnlinePilatesClasses.com flashcards, because the half roll up on the mat can be so easy to cheat on that if you do it here on the C-Shaper, you will be humbled, you will also be educated, you will also fully understand how hard the half roll up is. And while it's a prep, a great tool for getting you ready for any flexion exercise on your mat and your former practice as well. So if you don't have the deck yet, go get it at OnlinePilatesClasses.com. If you do, and that's why you're here, hi. I'm so excited to dive into this exercise with you so you can have a visual of how this works. So you'll want to set yourself up in the C-Shaper so that you can find the longest round shape. So if I go too low, this isn't actually very long for me. I feel like I'm slouching. But if you're a tighter body, going too high is going to feel like you're going to arch off. So you've got to find your sweet spot where you can really find your low abs into the C-Shaper, your heart, and your ribs, okay? Then you're going to have your feet and knees together. Easier is to take your hands on the legs. Harder is going to have the arms forward right here. Otherwise, so I'll start with my hands behind my thighs. I'm going to push my legs into the mat, and I'm going to pull back in my waist and round up. Now, it's tempting to round up with your shoulders, so feel those go wide, and then pull the waist back and tap the C-Shaper. And then round up, and then round back. Now, the key is that you want your lower back to touch the C-Shaper before your upper back, or at least at the same time. Meaning we don't want to round with our shoulders so much that our upper back touches, but my lower back didn't, right? So I got to use my hands are just here as a kickstand, more of a connection to my upper back. And I'm really trying to pull back in my waist. And then with my arms forward, it looks like this. So my lower back is touching before my upper back, or at the same time, my whole back is in there. And so you can really feel the shape your body needs to make for the roll up, because why do the half roll up anyways? It's to prepare you for the roll up, teaser, open leg rocker, things like that. If you have questions about how to use the half roll up, put them in the comments below. It's a great tool for replacing exercises you can't do yet with ones that you can. And if you notice that your upper back keeps hitting the C-Shaper before your lower back, it's just a sign that your shoulders are telling you that you're round when really you're not round. And we got to learn how to round from our center, not our shoulders. And so the C-Shaper is really great for that, because you can feel if your shoulders come off of the C-Shaper before your waist does. So thank you so much for watching this channel. It really means the world to me that these videos are helpful for you. Please make sure you subscribe to this content. Comment below. You can leave a question. We answer those Sundays at 9 a.m. Pacific time. And if you're an OPC member, hi, make sure you introduce yourself in the members only community. I want to get to know you more and how you're using the C-Shaper to support your practice. Have an amazing day.